Our planet is facing a crisis. Climate change is one of the most pressing issues of our time. But what is it, and what can we do about it? In this video, we'll explore the science of climate change, its causes, and its potential impacts. We'll also share some actionable tips on how individuals can reduce their carbon footprint. Transition to the main points of the video. First, let's start with the basics. Climate change refers to a long-term shift in global weather patterns, including changes in temperature, precipitation, and wind patterns. The main cause of climate change is the release of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, primarily from burning fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas. Transition to the causes of climate change. So, what exactly are greenhouse gases, and how do they contribute to climate change? Greenhouse gases trap heat from the sun in the Earth's atmosphere, similar to the way a greenhouse traps heat for plants to grow. The most common greenhouse gases are carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide, all of which are emitted through human activities like transportation, energy production, and agriculture. Transition to the potential impacts of climate change. The impacts of climate change are already being felt around the world. Rising temperatures can lead to more extreme weather events, like hurricanes, heatwaves, and droughts. Melting glaciers and ice caps can raise sea levels, leading to flooding and coastal erosion. Changes in precipitation patterns can also affect agriculture and food security, as well as freshwater availability. Transition to actionable tips for reducing your carbon footprint. So, what can individuals do to help reduce their carbon footprint? Here are a few tips. Use energy-efficient appliances and light bulbs. Reduce water waste by fixing leaks and taking shorter showers. Use public transportation, carpool, or bike instead of driving alone. Eat less meat and dairy, which are often associated with higher greenhouse gas emissions. Use renewable energy sources, like solar or wind power, if possible. Climate change is a complex issue, but we all have a role to play in addressing it. By understanding the science behind climate change and taking action to reduce our carbon footprint, we can help protect our planet for future generations. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more educational content.